Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix JPG files that are not opening in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are encountering issues where JPG files refuse to open in Windows 11, the first thing to try is to repair or reset the Photos app, which is the default application for opening these image files. To do this, search for the Photos app in your Windows search bar. Once you find it, right-click on it and select App Settings. In the Settings window that appears, scroll down and look for the Repair option. Click on it to attempt to fix any potential issues with the app. If repairing does not resolve the problem, you will see a tick mark next to the Repair option. After that tick mark appears, proceed to click the Reset button. This action will restore the Photos app to its default state and should help resolve the JPG opening issue. If resetting the Photos app does not do the trick, the next step involves checking for Windows updates. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. In the right pane, click on Check for Updates. Windows will then search for and install any available updates, which might include crucial fixes for file association problems. As a final troubleshooting measure, we will perform a System File Checker scan, often referred to as an SFC scan. This tool can detect and repair corrupted system files that might be causing your JPG files to not open correctly. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter: sfc/can now. Allow the scan to complete. This process can take some time, so please be patient. Once it finishes, restart your computer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.